Today we continue the same chapter, sector. Shall we recall formula for the sector? Area of the sector when theta and the radius is given, we have to use the formula. Area of the sector is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square units. When arc length and the radius is given, we have to use area A is equal to arc length L into radius by 2 square units. Children, once again I tell you, area of the sector when theta and radius is given, theta by 360 degree into pi r square units. When the arc length and the radius is given, area A is equal to L into r by 2 square units. Hope I think you all understood. Then the next one is perimeter of the sector. Perimeter we denoted by the letter P. So P is equal to length of the arc plus 2 times radius units. Once again, perimeter of a sector P is equal to L plus 2R units. By using of that formulas, shall we do one or two sums? See, it's given from the measures given below, find the area of the sectors. Listen children, length of the arc is given, radius is given. If the length is given, radius is given, we have to use the formula area is equal to arc length L into R by 2 square units. Once again I tell you children, length is given, radius is given. To find the area of the sector, LR by 2 square units. Apply the length, arc length value and the radius value by 2. By cancelling, we get 240 meters square. Children, keep remember units. When it is area, you should write square units by using or square meter or meter square. So in this problem, by cancelling, we get area is equal to 240 meters square. Next sum, L is equal to 12.5 centimeter, radius is 6 centimeter. To find the area of the sector, arc length L into R by 2 square units. So 12.5 into 6 by 2, by cancelling we get 12.5 into 3, multiply this and write centimeter square. So area we got it 37.5 centimeter square. Okay children, I think you all understood by using arc length and the radius by using the area. Now we see that find the central angle of each of the sectors whose measures given below, here given pi value also. Children, listen very carefully. Area is given, radius is given. We have to find out the first arc length. Then we have to go to the central angle. To find the length of the arc, we have to use the formula, same formula. Area is equal to 462 centimeter is given. Length we don't know. Radius is given 21 centimeter. We have to use the formula. Area is equal to LR by 2 square units. So apply in the places. Area 462 is given. we don't know the L, and into 21 by 2. By cross multiplication, the 2 will go to the numerator. So we get 462 into 2. This 21 will go to the denominator. By cancelling, we get the arc length 44 centimeter. Apply in the formula, children. By cancelling, you get the arc length L is equal to 44 centimeter. Children, we got it, length, arc length value. Then we have to find out the angle. We have to find out the angle. So angle formula, to area is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square units. Children, we know the value A, that is the area 462. We don't know the theta. Here we are going to find out theta. So theta by 360 degree, we know the value pi 22 by 7, and the radius is 21 is given. Because it is a r square, we write 21 into 21. Then apply everything and cancel it, children. We get the value theta is equal to 120 degree. Children, in this sum, we got it arc length value as well as theta value. I think how to do it. Children, one more sum. It's given one sector. Here it's given the radius and the angle is given. We have to find out length of the arc. What all you should find out? Length of the arc, area of the sector, perimeter. But we know angle, we know that, radius we know that. So given radius is 21 centimeter, theta is 120 degree. To find arc length, shall we find out the arc length, children? To find the arc length, we have the formula theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r units. Children, listen very carefully. To find the arc length, we have the formula theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r units. What is the formula for arc length? Say it. Arc length equal to theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r units. Apply in that value, we get it L is equal to 44 centimeter. Theta place, write the value 120 degree and 360 degree into 2 pi value is 22 by 7 and the r. Cancel it, we get the value 44 centimeter. Now we have to find out area of the sector. Area of the sector, A is equal to theta by 360 degree pi r square units. Children, we know the formula already, this theta by 360 degree. We know the theta value 120 degree. So 120 degree by 360 degree into, we know the value pi. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7. And we know radius also. What is the radius? 21. Because it is a square, we write 21 into 21. By cancelling, you get it 462 centimeter square. Thank you, children. Hope you all understood. Continue and work out the exercise problems and utilize the time. Have a good day. Utilize the time, children. Have a good day. Thank you, everyone.